Are you acting as if or just pretending? And is your credit card secretly tired from all of the heavy lifting that it's doing? Have you considered that this is the reason your manifestation isn't coming through? I get that you want the quick fix and the magic pill and for everything to just come together to reflect the story that you're showing the world. But I'm here to tell you that unless there is true alignment within and that you're genuinely operating as if, then the false narrative will remain full of disappointments. So, what does living with true as if energy actually mean? It essentially means being very honest and clear about where you are at right now, what you are capable of right now, and being clear on where you are going and what you are creating. And from there, it is tuning into the essence, and that is critical, the essence of what you are creating, and then implementing that essence into your daily life. Then, as you take aligned action needed to move towards your goals, asking for a pay rise, for example, going for a promotion, launching that new product, or raising your prices. What you then do is you are doing that in integrity with where you are at and the growth as it comes and as you are building it. Everything about that is strategically aligned. Now, false as if energy is something that a lot of us live with. We go through ins and outs of it, and there is a mismatch between your beliefs and your actions, coupled with an ego drive to show the world what you want them to see, not necessarily the truth. This most commonly shows up in your finances. When you are living the millionaire lifestyle on your credit card, it's the classic acting rich and drowning in debt. If your goal is to become a millionaire, let me ask you, do millionaires extend themselves in non tax deductible debt? That is debt that's taken out for investments? No. So if you are buying the designer handbags on a salary that doesn't really leave you much at the end of the week, that is a massive energetic mismatch. And this false as if energy, this misaligned energy slows down your manifestation process. So, how do you shift into a truly aligned, true as if energetic state? Number one, take an honest look at your current starting point and accept it, embrace it, be grateful for where you are at and all that you have. Number two, make the necessary changes needed to be aligned with that step. Look at your beliefs, emotions, everything to get you aligned. Number three, harness the essence of what you are creating. So if you're looking for wealth, to create wealth, where is the essence of wealth already in your life? Is that the roof over your head? Is that a car that you drive? Is that the really nice food that you're eating? You need to feel the abundance that already exists and is available for you before you see it amplify to the level that you are taking it. Number four, take aligned action steps that will move you from where you are to where you are going. It is this process with the essence that helps you truly embody the energy of living as if. Comment below on one of the aligned action steps that you're going to take this week. Let's get you living with true as if energy. Be sure to follow me and like this video if it resonated with you. And my full podcast episode on this very topic is now live, and I will link it below in the show notes so that you can tune in to the whole thing.